Rats. The power is out.
Less for you?
Hey there, Patel.
Oh, it is you, Miss Angel Cough. Hello, hello. So nice for to see you.
Listen, did you get that cough syrup shipment in?
Yes, Miss Angel Cough. It come to store just a minute ago. Would you like for me to get you a bottle?
Well, kind of. Here's the thing. I kind of need all your bottles. Yeah, kind of all of them.
Miss Angel Cough, this is very, very much cough syrup. More cough syrup than any one person can be needing.
Oh, I know that.
Miss Angel Cough, I must for to ask you, are you to be planning to take all of this alarming amount of cough syrup in one time and make a suicide for yourself?
No, he. Oh no, of course not, Patel. Thanks for your concern. This isn't about offing myself. It's about synergy.
Oh, this is good. Very, very good. Because the business, it is bad. Very, very bad. And I don't want to lose a good customer like you, Miss Angel Cough. You are a very nice lady. A very pretty lady.
Thank you, Patel. I wouldn't dream of shopping at any other store, except for every store in town that is getting a cough syrup delivery today. But you should know, I am most fond of your store. You are the only place that carries decaf, iced coffee.
Yes, well, the people who want to watch for their caffeine intake are also very much deserving for a cold, delicious treat. Oh, Angel Cough, my friend Tony Citizen will be so very pleased that you will not make for yourself a suicide with all a case of cough syrup. He is liking you very, very much.
Oh right. Tony. Say, he wasn't in here yet, was he?
No, not of yet. He come here 10 o'clock. He be here any minute. You can make waiting for Tony, yes?
Well then, I need to get out of here.
What this for? You no liking Tony?
No, I am liking Tony. I mean, I do like Tony. It's just complicated. I'm in a big rush to get to all the stores. I found out the Robitussin truck is doing deliveries all over town today, not just here.
Well, here is a box of all the coughing syrup. Very good for mold cough.
Thanks, Patel. I'd like to leave Tony this bottle. I'll pay for it along with the others. And can you please leave him this note?
Yes, okay, Miss Angel Cough. I can do this special for you.
Great, thanks. I have to run.
Okay, Miss Angel Cough. Tony will be very sad. Very sad you are not here. His heart will be shattered like a million pieces of Slurpee ice. You have a nice day.
See you later, Patel.
Hey Patel.
What? 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 Oh, my Tony Citizen. It is just you. It is very, very nice to see you. I know you want to make visit with very lovely Miss Cough Angel.
Yes, is she here yet? I have been dreaming about her smile, and her dainty little trucker's cough. She is so delightful.
Oh, yes, yes, Tony Citizen. She was here already. We had a most pleasant visit together. You missed her by something like 2 minutes, maybe just 110 seconds. It is hard to say most precisely.
Oh no, didn't you tell her to wait for me?
Yes, very, very much. I make try, but she no interested.
Oh no. I really liked her. I felt a connection. I guess I was wrong. I guess she doesn't like me.
Oh, no, Tony Citizen. She was not interested in making to wait for you today. She busy. Very, very busy. But she leaves special note for you. And she buy you cough syrup. Surely if a woman do this thing, she is liking my friend Tony Citizen.
Really? She really left me cough syrup and a note? No woman has ever done that for me before.
She must think you are very special, Tony. I am very pleased. Very, very pleased.
Me too. This is the best news I have had in ages. I can't wait to go home and read the note.
Much luck for you, Tony. What is meant to be will always find a way. Sometimes it take a big, big disaster. I mean a disaster so big of epic proportions and devastation. With people suffering and being miserable and dying in the streets, for a man and a woman to come together and understand that they would rather be united together with one another in this cold, heartless, miserable world with floods and suffering and death and famine and disease and FEMA and flood insurance that is very much a scam, than miserable alone.
I was thinking maybe we would just catch a movie together and see how it goes before we get up to the heavy stuff.
Oh, I want very much to see this movie, Identity Thief with Jason Bateman and the fat lady from Mike and Molly. This television show with a fat man. It is looking to be a very funny movie. May I to come with you?
Patel, thanks for everything, but no, absolutely not. I will see you later.
You ai parti pupu plata.
Like, shush. He's sleeping. What shall we do? The register is bolted down.
Okay then, let's take it all.
What? 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 Oh no, this is a shit.